What happens when a drone stops being just a camera platform or a lightweight delivery tool and steps into the role of a true industrial machine? That's the question the DJI FlyCart 100 raises the moment you look at its specs. With a payload capacity comparable to small utility vehicles, intelligent cargo handling, and a rugged design built for high-stakes environments, this aircraft sits in a category of its own. In this breakdown, the goal is to understand what the FlyCart 100 actually represents for the industry, the real problems it's built to solve, and why it signals a major shift for aerial logistics. Once the bigger picture comes into focus, it becomes clear this isn't just another DJI release, it's a roadmap for where the entire sector is heading. The FlyCart 100's 80kg payload rating instantly redefines what a heavy-lift drone can do. DJI's modular battery system lets you choose between maximum load for short-range missions or dual-battery endurance flights with slightly reduced capacity. That flexibility turns the aircraft into a transport system rather than a flying gadget. It's built for scenarios where roads wash out, terrain becomes impassable, or critical supplies need to move fast. In many cases, it's competing more with trucks, ATVs, and even helicopters than with other drones. The FlyCart 100 also pushes hard into autonomous capability. Phased array radars, fisheye cameras, and LiDAR work together to maintain full-time environmental awareness, backed by O4 transmission and optional 4G for redundancy. The 8-prop 4-axis carbon fiber layout isn't just about power. It's designed for stability during dynamic lift missions and turbulence. Add IP55 weather sealing, wide temperature tolerance, and a service ceiling above 6,000 meters, and you get a drone built for real-world deployment in mountains, industrial corridors, and disaster zones where conditions are unpredictable. Where the FlyCart 100 truly stands out is in its cargo system. DJI's hoist mechanism includes a 30-meter cable, advanced anti-sway controls, and real-time weight monitoring, allowing operators to place loads exactly where they need to go, even when landing is impossible. This is the kind of precision winch work normally associated with helicopters. The independent parachute module adds another layer of safety, cutting power before deployment to protect both payload and people below. It's a mission-first approach that treats each lift as a high-value operation. The applications go far beyond big drone delivers big box. The FlyCart 100 aligns with critical sectors: emergency response, remote construction, mining, utilities, agriculture logistics, and humanitarian relief. It can move medical kits into disaster zones faster than ground vehicles, deliver tools or components across terrain that slows crews for hours, and reduce risk by keeping human workers out of dangerous areas. In industries increasingly leaning toward unmanned systems, the FlyCart 100 raises the bar for what aerial logistics can realistically achieve. Of course, capability comes with cost. The FlyCart 100 lives firmly in the 5-figure range, and accessories stack quickly depending on mission needs. It requires trained operators, compliance with local aviation rules, and proper operational planning. Some regions already support heavy-lift UAV operations. Others are still adapting regulations, meaning rollout will vary. For major organizations, the investment makes sense. For hobbyists, it's far beyond what they'll ever need. The DJI FlyCart 100 is one of the boldest steps the drone industry has taken in years. It doesn't try to compete with consumer drones or lightweight delivery craft. It establishes a new class entirely, a class where unmanned aircraft handle meaningful cargo, work in harsh environments, and deliver with accuracy previously reserved for crewed aircraft. For enterprises and emergency services, it's a powerful new tool. For everyone else, it's a glimpse into the future of unmanned transport. So tell me, if you could deploy a drone like this anywhere, what mission would you give it? Drop your thoughts below. And if this breakdown helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next deep dive.